Mayite murete yaba UPE.
Omukoro gw'okurahiza mukuru w'entebe ya kataano hamwe n'abakansara ba Rwampara District gubire gukurirwe Moses Nebede Chief Magistrate ogu abandize okushoborra habwenki abeebembezi bahikire kukuratira amateeka.
It is important you have been respected, you have been honored by the electorates, and therefore follow up the oath clearly. The oath and the penal code has the offenses you commit, revealing the secrets of the council.
Ahasha yo kurahira chairman w'entebe ya kataano Richard Omugasho niwabandize.
I, Omugasho Richard Beine, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Wenyuma ya chairman kurahira bakansara 24 aba district barahire omurundo gumwe.
Just the message, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will give faithful service for this council and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God.
Wenyuma yo kurahira Wire Bataringaya DC wa Rwampara District akwasize chairman ebikwato bya office.
Also allow me to hand over to you the Local Governments Act.
Bwanyuma bakansara batorine twetise Herbert nga speaker wa Rwampara hamwe na deputy we Kazora Ismail.
Twetise Herbert, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will at all times well and truly serve the district Rwampara.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will at all times well and truly serve the district in the office of Deputy Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Twetise Herbert nuko kushaba ba councillors kwatanisiza hamwe na n'abakozi ba district okoraje emirimo yabo.
We have technical staff here, and you new councillors, you coming to here to work with them. So nanengera ngu tukorera mu kintu kimwe, let the technical team and the political team work together.
Chairman Richard Omugasho omukugamba kwe araganise okurwanisa oburwenguzi omu district egi.
I hate corruption, Mr. Kankunda. I hate. Have I ever asked you for anything like fuel, my what? No. Me, I hate corruption. I want to support the president. We fight corruption in Rwampara. Kisanja akuna slip. Kisanja taro kujirakita. Taro kubyam. We must go and work for our families.
Bo abanyishengero Honorable Amos Kankunda wa Rwampara County hamwe na Honorable Charles Ngabirano wa Rwampara East Bashabirwe ba kansara kwongera kwatanisa babantu bahereza abantu babo.
Twasima imanya batahe banje bazagamba kuka twasima kana n'abanyarwambara bari ya abaroho mugarare kabakarebi imanya nimwe mu mwasima. So it is over. The only thing we can do is to ask for the blessing of the Lord to be upon you as you lead.
That is my slogan. That one is well said. The extension which had halted is going to resume immediately, and we have surveyed every portion that had remained. I have the list here on my phone. I will share with all of you. so twaza kutangira amashanyarazi gona according to the omuntu mukuru go yampabwire.
Obirori omugenyi mukuru ahakurahira kwa Kanseegi Honorable Francis Butagira owabireho Speaker w'ishengero rya Uganda ashabire ba kansara hamwe n'abeebembezi abandi nk'abanyishengero kwatanisiza hamwe kwinegeza entunguka omu district egi.
I was happy. Actually, even before you spoke, I read somewhere on news when you were in Rwampara how you pledged to work together. I said this is the right way, and let me thank you since you are here. Working together is the way. You cannot pursue this thing singly.
Egi n'enshuro ya kabiri eya Chairman Richard Omugasho aha district ya Rwampara eyatandikirwaho omwaka gw'2019. Amakuru aga gashakwa Susan Arinomix.